Hello kids, welcome to Bright Scholars. Today we will learn vowels. Vowels are special letters. They are A, E, I, O, U. Vowels help us read words. Every word has a vowel. A says A for apple, A for apple. E says egg. I says I for ice cream, I for ice cream. O says O for orange, O for orange. U says A for upstairs, A for upstairs. Let's say the vowels together. A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. Great job! Can you find the vowel in cat? Yes, A. Can you find vowel in dog? Yes, O, you're right. And son? Yes, U. Great job. Great job, kids. You learned vowels today. See you in the next class.